Hi, I'm Dr. Evans with ProTailored Physical Therapy here in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and I'm going to teach you the best 3 core exercises to help keep your back pain away. Planks are a great exercise to strengthen up your core without putting too much pressure on your back. It looks just like this. You're going to be on your forearms with your legs straight, pull in your tummy to make it nice and tight so your back's nice and flat. You hold it for 30 seconds and you do it 3 times. Bridges are also another great exercise that you can utilize to strengthen up your low back. It looks just like this. You bend up both your knees, bring your arms across your chest, you're tucking your abdomen in, and then you're lifting your bottom up towards the ceiling. You hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you come back down nice and slow while you're keeping your abdomen nice and tucked. Then you relax, you pull it back in, and then you lift back up. You do this a total of 10 to 15 times depending on the difficulty, and I would do 3 sets of it. One of my favorite exercises to strengthen up the hips, which is ultimately part of your core, is something called monster walks. You take a TheraBand, put it around both of your ankles, get your feet wide enough there's a good amount of tension on the band. Your toes should be pointing straight ahead, if not in just a little bit. Tuck your pelvis, make everything nice and tight. Don't bend your knees because we're trying to isolate all of this strengthening to just your hips and not to your quads in the front. Keep it tight, and I'm going to walk sideways, keeping tension on the band. I'm going to go all the way to that wall and back, which I count as 50 feet, and I like to do that 3 times in a row. These exercises are not meant to cause any back pain whatsoever. So if you feel any discomfort while you're doing these exercises, please stop immediately. They are meant to just strengthen you, not hurt you. All right, guys, I hope that information was useful for you. Please let us know if you have any questions, comments, or any new topics that you'd like us to cover in our next video. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can get updated on our new videos that come out. And lastly, if you'd like to schedule an appointment at ProTailored Physical Therapy in Fort Wayne, Indiana, you can call us at 260-739-0300, or you can visit us online at www.protailored.com. Thanks.